Yes, this is for those that doesn't know the spice. This is Ajun Bise herb. We have it in its semi-fresh state. Some are still fresh. They spent 2 days on the road before it got set, so that's why it's not so fresh. Then this is Eiru, and Yoruba call it Posa. This is Uda. Yoruba call it Eru. This is Unziza seed. Yoruba call it Iyere. And this is ginger. I can make it stay in the sun for a while so that it can get dry. And all those things, I'm going to pound them. I'll pound them. This Eiru Posa, you can see match it. It's just a seed covering it. There's still something inside. So these are the spices, and this is Anchu Bise, in case you don't know the spices and you want to make it.